Dumb Miss Daisy and Principal Colts. Miss Daisy said it was time for us to clear off our desk and see how much we knew about arithmetics. Ugh, if I gave you 58 apples and Principal Colt took 28 of them away, Miss Daisy asked, how many apples would you have left, AJ? Who cares how many apples you would have left, I said. I hate apples, and if you ask me, you and Principal Colt can take all the apples away, and it wouldn't bother me one bit. You wouldn't you would have 30 apples, said the girl, Andrea Young, in the front of the class. She had a big smile on her face like she had just opened all the birthday presents. Andrea Young thinks she's so smart. I hate arithmetic, I announced. You know what? Miss Daisy said. I hate arithmetic too. You do? We all said. Sure. I don't even know what you get if you multiply 4 times 4. You don't? I have no idea, Miss Daisy said, scratching her head and wrinkling up her forehead like she was trying to figure it out. Maybe one of you kids can explain it to me. Boy, Miss Daisy was really dumb. Even I know what you get when you multiply 4 times 4. But that smarty pants I know everything girl Andrea Young beat me to it and got called on it first. If you put 4 crayons in a row, she told Miss Daisy as she put a bunch of crayons on top of her desk, and you make 4 rows of 4 crayons, you'll have 16 crayons. See? Then she counted the crayons from 1 to 16. Miss Daisy looked at the crayons on Andrea's desk. She had a puzzled look on her face. I'm not sure I understand, she said. Can somebody else explain it to me? Michael Robinson, this kid wearing red t-shirt with a dirt bike on it, explained 4 times 4 again using pencils. He had 16 pencils on his desk in 4 rows and 4 rows of 4 pencils. Miss Daisy still had a look on her face like she didn't understand. Would you what would you, what would happen if you subtract half of the pencils? She asked. Michael looked away to Michael took away 2 of the rolls of pencils and put them inside his pencil box. Then you would have 8 pencils, we all said. Andrea Young added, half of 16 is 8. Miss Daisy wrinkled her forehead until it was almost like an accordion. She still didn't get it. She started counting the pencils on Michael's desk out loud and using her fingers. She got it all wrong. We gathered around Michael's desk and tried to explain to Miss Daisy how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide numbers using pencils. Nothing worked. Miss Daisy had to be the dumbest teacher in the history of the world. No matter how many times we tried to explain, she kept shaking her head. I'm sorry, she said. It will take me a while to understand arithmetics. Maybe you can explain it to me maybe you can explain it to me more tomorrow. For now, we have to clean off our desk because Principal Colts is going to come in and talk to us. I know all about principals. My friend Billy from around the corner, who was in the 2nd grade last year,